Okay, my name is Peter Farkas. I'm the CFO and General Manager of Olson Technologies. We're a family-owned business. The present ownership started in 1985. Jim Olson being the owner and the president. His son Eric is the vice president. We manufacture industrial valves for a number of different industries. We make some real tiny valves that are half, 3/4 inch in diameter, up to 156-inch in diameter. We ship valves all over the country. We've shipped them throughout the world. And we've been very happy with our location in downtown Allentown. As a matter of fact, this facility has had some kind of manufacturing going on since 1860, since the time of the Civil War. Some of our buildings still have placards that were built in 1864.
That's interesting. Do you know what their initial uses were?
Oh, I think there's been a number of uses. They've been making valves here since about the 1960s. Before that, they had a foundry here, and they made a number of different processes at this location.
That's interesting. So how long has Olson Technologies been here?
Olson Technologies bought the existing valve company that was here in May of 1985. Since then, we've upgraded the facilities, we've added employees, and we like our location. We have foundries that we get our product from that are located in 3 or 4 different states. We bring the product in. The valves are made using our patterns. We bring them here to this location. Then we machine them, we assemble it, we test it, and we ship it out.
So you talked about you have numerous commercial applications for your valves. What are some of the industries that you serve?
Okay. Well, one of the industry, it's not the industry, but one of the valves that we make is for natural gas. And the natural gas valves are typically used in, let's say, a local McDonald's that's using gas for their burners for their cooking. Well, every building that uses natural gas has an outside meter, and around that meter there are some valves for shutoffs. So one of our applications is for shutoffs going into commercial buildings. Another application may be for boilers. Boilers all need shutoff valves for emergencies. We supply some valves for them. We also supply valves for the water industry, drinking water. Some of these valves can be from 36-inch in diameter up to the 144-inch in diameter, depending on the size of the city, the needs of the population. And then we make a third kind of valve for the wastewater industry. For wastewater plants, they need shut-off valves. And we also make a valve for the asphalt industry, for people that make asphalt.
So how many buildings do you own here in this area?
Well, we have 4 buildings. This is one office building that houses the sales and the executive department. 1 block down, we have our engineering, our accounting, inventory control. And then we have 2 big plants. One is located right next to me, where we put together some of those larger valves that I hope to show you later. And then at Front and Linden Street, we have another big operation where the rest of the valves are made and put together.
So how many total square feet do you have?
We have roughly under roof, I would say, 85,000 square feet.
Okay, great. So you do like the location here with the city. Are there any other benefits of being down here in Allentown?
Not specifically, but the fact that there has been a manufacturing operation going on here for 150 years. The fact that we're near the Allentown Bethlehem Easton Airport is nice because some of our customers actually come out to witness the testing of the valves, especially the larger valves. So they want to make sure that it works before we ship it out. So consequently, it's important to us to make these people feel comfortable. So we're excited about the downtown restaurants that they're trying to promote and start, and the hotels. And some of these customers might be here anywhere from a day or two to a week. So we're always looking for ways to keep them entertained. So whether that's Dorney Park or, like I said, the downtown facilities. So that's the benefit of being here in Allentown.
Good, and I guess similarly, access to 78 and 22 is also beneficial.
Yes, actually, because although they might fly into Allentown, if they're here a week, they like the idea of being able to jump on the freeway and going down to Philly or to New York if there's some time in between these tests and the actual production of the valve. So it's nice to be able to direct them easily to a place that's for their enjoyment.
I'm sure, but even shipping, I mean shipping.
Oh, shipping. Oh, that's correct. I'm sorry, but yes, we most of our valves are shipped with common carriers or UPS if they're small. But the shipping corridor here is pretty nice, and everything that we make typically goes by truck. So the highway facilities are important.
Excellent. If you don't have a positive answer for this next question, that's fine. We'll just skip it. But has the city been supportive in trying to accommodate some of your needs here in the city?
Well, you know, they do have a couple of programs, and one of it is the Keystone program for some low